guys, my name is Ava Jones, but you can call me Shell, and I'm back with episode 6 of season 1 of Chainsaw Man, the reaction. Yeah, here we go. I'm excited for this. I can't even think right now.
What the?
What in the world? Arai, you went down, so why are you up?
Oh no, 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 no.
Why is a room on the other side of those windows?
Hey guys, the windows are a total bust. All of them lead to the room across the hall.
Apparently so. We're stuck. Trapped on the 8th floor.
Infinity! This is like that game, Exit 8, I think. It's such a cool concept. I love it.
Since they can't get in and we can't get out, everybody here is gonna die. We'll slowly starve to death.
Stay strong, okay? Happy thoughts. Gotta keep living as a devil hunter to put your brother through school, don't you?
I'm not doing it because I want to. It was either become a devil hunter or a sex worker.
That poor girl.
I wanted to go to college, but I'm just going to my grave. Her face is so priceless.
That's so rude.
Stop laughing! This isn't funny!
Kobeni, sweetheart. Fear is a devil's favorite food. Be brave, or you'll be their dinner.
No one knows anything for sure. And you do wake me up. This bed's dope as hell. Shouldn't waste it. I'm appreciate this devil and have a nap.
He's stunned. He's like, he went to sleep. He really went to sleep.
He really fell asleep.
Yeah, right.
Could really go for a smoke. Please tell me you have some.
I'm sorry. This is the last one I've got.
Oh yeah? Then I get the rest of it.
Aww. Well, if you insist, you addict.
Cheater! You got an indirect kiss for free!
Shut up.
Traps us in a hotel. In a
This
snooze
reminds
form
me
like that.
of...
What the hell kind of devil is it?
Hear me, foolish as you are. I pray you'll be wise enough to accept this contract I offer.
The blob can talk?
And what's a contract, huh?
Feed me the human
Yeah.
stingy, dead or alive. Just let me eat
Came back
him.
around. That's
Do so,
crazy.
and I shall allow the rest of you devil hunters to leave here unscathed.
Denji, let it eat you.
They gotta knock her out again.
That's fine. My ghost can handle this.
What in the parasite? I swallowed the whole floor at that rate. Oh.
It's futile. The form you're attacking is not my main body.
We should kill him. Don't you think, Miss Himeno? It would leave us down a hunter, but at least we would be outside where we can regroup. The wisest course of action is to accept the offer.
Meeting a devil's demands really strikes you as wise?
Right.
It's unclear, but a dead Denji helps that thing somehow, which is why we're turning down the contract.
Well, there you have it, Arai.
I am all for Team Kill Denji.
Hey!
My Nobel Prize will remain forever out of reach if I am unable to depart this warped hotel. Die for my award-winning idea.
Fiends
Wow,
can't...
so much.
Ever.
I know what you are!
Who's screaming?
Run, now!
What is happening?
The hull's tilting.
Deliberation time's come and gone! Fade up to the devil and get it over with!
Thank God y'all are separated
Using the
because
sword. Are you okay with that, Himeno?
No. Don't! Whoa, not cool!
The sword is very handy, and yes, we probably could escape if he used its power. But it cuts Aki's lifespan. Every use shaves off a huge chunk of it. He's got way too much to live for to get shortchanged like that.
I'm sick of her. She needs to go.
Power! Since you're the blood fiend, can you keep him from bleeding out?
I have total control over my own blood, not the blood of others. I'm doubtful I could achieve it. Though if Top-Knot succumbs to his injury, I suppose I'll be in need of a new cook, yes? Thus, I'm obligated to try, at least.
And they were roommates.
Jeez, enough already. Guess it's snack o'clock. But I ain't about to slide down its throat without a fight. I better still get my kiss. You promised that'd be the reward.
Have you a strategy in mind to win?
It'll hurt real bad. But I'm gonna use my chainsaws.
Chainsaws?
I can't believe you covered me. Mind your own business next time, dickhead. I'm through owing anybody anything. No more debts for me. Here.
Cannot be the end of the episode. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to keep it together. Okay. From Aki getting stabbed, that was it for episode 6 of season 1 of Chainsaw Man. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Enjoyed the episode. If there is anyone that you'd like to share this video with that needs a light in their life, if you feel like liking, if you feel like commenting, if you feel social, and I will see you guys in the next episode that I'm jumping into right now because I literally cannot. That cliffhanger, ridiculous. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
If you had the money you spent on those views, and you could have gotten a stock in YouTube. This Bitcoin look like it might drop pretty soon. Computer alert me to stop if it do. I really flex like you have no option to do. My diamonds is blue like I clone a mule. My life is like lightning, a cyclone of fuel. I cycle a loop.